warrior doll must have fallen to the Merc Kingdom at the bottom of the sea. We should check there first.
The Mer Kingdom? Do you know how to get there, Princess Tammy?
Yeah, totally. I live there with my mom, the queen.
Oh,
Namekians have the special
Welcome to my underwater paradise.
capability
Everyone
to create
but they're really
a
watch how
group of special objects
getting along.
codenamed wish orbs. Each set of dragon wish orbs are different. This is what allows them to summon ancient beings known as dragons.
Going to eat them? No way. The fish are cleaning the shark's skin while he gives them a ride. They're helping each other out. They're friends.
oh wow, that's so awesome!
What would happen
The sea,
if there was a set of Dragon Balls
the different faces, learning about so many different creatures and different places.
from the race Frieza grew up as and grew up with? Tonight we're drawing the
Look, we're almost to
Dragon Balls from Frieza's home planet,
My doll is there. She must be so scared.
created by
We'll find her. Come on, let's swim.
created by a Namekian who saw Frieza as one of his friends. Good for him. Great for him.
Wow, we made it.
We're just
Now then, let's get started. This dragon first appeared after the events of Dragon Ball Super. All credit for this incredible dragon goes out to channel known as Rising Fist. This dragon doesn't exactly have a name, so I'm just gonna name him Frieza Shenron. You should have discovered how evolved this guy has gotten. There we are. Now we just draw this part here. And there we are. That's how you draw the dragon that was created by Frieza. New Namekian friend. Yeah. This one goes out to those who have watched Rising Fist. If you're watching this, just a reminder, this was a great idea, Rising Fist. I thank you for your gratitude. And I hope to see you real soon. It'd be a pleasure to meet you.